Alright, you guys ready? About to get this day started, but before we get this day started, I'd like to say thank you to our sponsor, Fishingsir, for sending us these polarized glasses. They read one of you guys' comments about 4 weeks ago, one of our videos, and somebody left a comment saying, how come we don't have polarized glasses, you know, for help us spot these fish out here in this murky water? So they went ahead and sent us some glasses. Hopefully that'll increase our chances out here on sight casts and also give us some eye protection, because the sun is definitely a killer out here. It gets hot, and spending hours and hours in the water does mess up your eyes. All that heat, man, you come home and your eyes are all bloodshot and stuff, so hopefully this protects us. I'll leave a link in the description down below for you guys. As far as that goes, man, we're gonna go ahead and start the day off. Go ahead and pick up a drift sock for this trip. Go ahead and throw this green DOA. Hopefully that get some redfish attention out here, and hopefully it's a good day, man. So that's what I'm hoping on. We're out here Packery, seeing nothing special today. Just fish a few hours, see what happens, see what comes out of here. You know, haven't been out here in a while, so good luck to us, and continue watching. Got him. It's a nice one. Nice little red. Oh, buddy. Come here, little buddy. I know y'all around. Yeah. Hey, chill out. I'll let you go as soon as you chill out. Let's get you out of here. There you go. First red of the day is a baby, but hey, still something to catch. Alright. They're there. Let's get some more. They're loving this fast retrieve, man. You have to really work that lure in this grass, because it's so shallow that if you drag it so slow, it just picking up nothing but grass. So you gotta have to actually work it. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's a lot of grass out there. We're about 6 to 8 inches of water. You know, this hot days bring these fish up shallow. So what I'm doing is I'm working it fairly quick, you know. I'm not even giving it a chance to drop. I'm kind of just pumping it twice and like speed real quick for a few seconds, and then pump it again, and then just give some action behind it. And that's what's working. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. That's that reaction strike we're looking for. Oh man, you wanted that. Come here. Come here, little guy. You wanted that one. I watched you come out of nowhere. Wanted that lure. I was casting, I just see something like this come real fast, he just took it. That's exactly what that did. Look out of here. You're free to go. There you go. He's going back. Come on. This green DOA is doing the job. Alright, so Packery's not providing today, so we're gonna go ahead and try one more spot. We're gonna head back across the bridge. Let's go ahead and try a different spot. We're gonna head back that direction to the bridge. And yeah. So what time is it? It is 1 o'clock. If I can't find them back that other way, I might just have to try and go out to the channel. Maybe I can sight cast something out of the channel. Who knows, man. Midday bite is always tough, you know. It's usually in the morning when you come out here and you get them. morning or yeah, morning or evening. That's usually when they're biting. You know, midday is very tough, but doesn't mean that it's not a good time to come out and try. You know, if you got time and your only time is midday, hey, work with what you got. You know, get some more cash here. Alright, this is our last stop we're gonna make. This is right here by the JFK, a big intercoastal channel. Gonna drift these flats here and hopefully pick up something, because I mean, it's tiring. Alright, let's see, man. That's about it. That's about all I got left for me today. I didn't come to the best location I could find. I just kind of picked a, you know, big red right there, big red right there, big red. Come on, it's got a, oh, it's like that's a good red. Oh, right there, come on, let's go. I just saw that, oh my gosh, I'm surprised he didn't get spooked, because I'm literally like 3 feet from him. Come on, hey, do not roll this kayak. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that, buddy. Come on. Got this guy. There you go. I saw that red last minute. Oh, he's not totally big, but he's worth catching. There you go. Come on. Come here, buddy. I'm about to land this because that hook is not. Come on. You're a pretty fish. You are one pretty fish. Come here. Come here. Don't run him. Come on. Let's get you in this net. Got him. There you go. Y'all talking about a red. That's a red. Nice red, man. Healthy red. Let's go. Shoot, that was a... I pitched that bait like... I mean, there's no better way to pitch a bait to a red than to put it in his mouth. Like, I just see him sitting there. And I just dropped that bait like right there. He was gonna eat a noodle. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just hit his mouth and bam, he just ran. All right. Let me get this guy measured and see how big he is. If he's legal, if he's going on a stringer. If not, he might go back. But he looks like a 26 maybe. That's my guess. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking like a 26-inch red and a very healthy red too. So, oh shit! I broke the kayak right there. Okay. That is a good freaking red. Hey, chill. Actually, no, he's 24 and a half. You know what? That's a good red. Regardless, so he's gonna go ahead and go in that stringer, and I'm gonna try to catch another one before this day's over, man. They're there. If there's one like that, there's gonna be more, because I'm definitely gonna have to keep my eye out on that one. Good thing I was looking. I saw something move, he slightly moved just to catch my eye, and then, you know, good thing I had these glasses on. If it wasn't for that, probably would have missed it, man. This water is pretty murky today. You are well earned, man. All right, let's get this. Let's get a good shot, get a good picture with this guy real quick. Yeah. Look at that. Take that any day. Yeah. Good picture, right? Get this cap. throw in the stringer. Just gonna go ahead and put him there, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to catch another one. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day already. We got this nice red in the stringer. Caught them 2 small reds earlier. I only fished in a few hours. wasn't too long of a day today. Got really hot really quick, and the wind's starting to pick up, and it's making us drift really fast. And I've already drifted probably about a mile from the intercoastal channel, so I've only seen 2 reds so far, so I'm pretty sure that be a while before I find another red, and before I make it to Laguna Shores I want to head back in. So that's exactly what we're going to go ahead and do right now. We're going to call it a day here, take our 1 red and enjoy that. And you guys make sure you go and check out the links for this. It'll be down in the description again, just a reminder, along with all our other products we got there. We're still using that Godline braid, still using it multicolored. And hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos, man. We're gonna be dropping some offshore videos here soon again. Went out there and had some crazy luck, so stick around for that. Make sure y'all subscribe, and we just hit 500 subscribers just recently, so we're moving. Other than that, that's about all I got for you guys today, so thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later.